Hey guys, welcome back to Minecraft as Gaeilge. It's Mr. Shoshuf. Um, Volcha go Minecraft as Gaeilge. I was going to start this episode a little later when I had everything in order, but I was out here at the Iron Golem farm, and I started walking around and noticed an Enderman was causing problems around here. I had been AFK, and you can see he kind of wrecked my wall over there. I walk around here, and I see him just like that, like the back of his head. And I'm like, what the hell is that? So I start to approach him, and I realize it's an Enderman who somehow got buried. I'm not gonna get too close to him, but I think that's just hilarious. So I had to start the episode here. Um, Today is Saturday the 15th. It is kind of late. Again, I'm starting to sound like I'm boring again. Oh, that's a bummer. Just a second. So, is that gonna work now? There we go. Um, So, today's the 15th, it's Saturday, and tomorrow's Easter. I didn't really want to go look up how to say Happy Easter in Gaelic or anything like that. Ignore the iron golem that's burning. Come on, I'm trying to do a show here, man. Um, but I just did a quick look, and I looked up in my Irish dictionary. The word for rabbit is that one. I also did a quick Google Translate, and that is it as well. Um, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but if I've talked in earlier episodes about uh, a kind of rule of thumb that I have when going about trying to pronounce words that I don't know or can't get a direct translation for. I believe it might be Coinín, and that's rabbit. So I'm gonna go with that. Coinín. The Enderman agrees. I'm not gonna mess with him. I'm gonna let him stay there and be happy. I do want to quickly fix that wall if I can. I don't seem to have. He made a real mess. He really did. I'm assuming it was him. Oh God. Oh bad. Oh crap. Okay. Whew. I put the cactus there, thinking it was a good idea. Oh, damn. I pulled cactus out of my inventory earlier, and I saw it's literally like cactus, Cachtus or something to that effect. I thought that was funny. Anyway, I don't really have much to talk about. I'm just trying to fill up episodes while I figure out what to do with this series. It's going to be an ongoing theme of I have no idea what to do, and I have no idea how to make this entertaining. We're going to remove that block so we don't have any more problems like this again. We probably still will have problems like this. He is stuck there. He is stuck there. I'm going to leave him there. Oh, that's what he did. Look at that. He grabbed from behind the chest. Oh. So, I hate Endermen. I really hate Endermen. They just really mess everything up. They really do. They're not nice. They're not nice. Alright, I'm not gonna bother with that one back there. Worry about that one at a later date. I did not look at you. I did not look at. I wonder if he's broken since he's in that block. I really should I don't know. Anyway, I just saw the I literally just watched the new trailer for the new Star Wars movie, The Last Jedi. Spoiler alert. um Yeah, I don't know if you guys have seen it there, but there's a particular location that they are using. It appeared in the first film, and it looks like it's going to be featured in this new film. And by last film, I mean Episode 7. What was that called? The Force Awakens. And that location is in Ireland. If you look it up, it's Skellig Michael, Skellig Michael. And it's really cool. It's this giant rock that juts out of the ocean, out of the Atlantic Ocean, and it's off the coast of Ireland. It's a real place, people. And you kind of see it in the movie. There are some like abandoned stone structures there. Those are real. In the 6th century, some Christian monks built a monastery out there on the island. So I'm gonna get rid of this plant because it is annoying. I put it there for protection, but it really winds up just causing problems, I think. Anyway, yeah, so a part of Ireland is predominantly featured in the new Star Wars series, which is pretty cool. I knew about Skellig Michael long before the movie, and when I went to go see The Force Awakens in theaters, I had seen it kind of late, maybe I think it was a couple days after Christmas, intentionally so that there wouldn't be much of a crowd, and there was nobody around me to begin with, but when Skellig Michael popped up, I got so excited. I looked around, and no one else is excited. I'm like, okay. Yeah. So that happened. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So, I knew about it before, and I haven't been to Ireland yet, but of course I'm meaning to go. And, one of the places I had wanted to go would have been Skellig Michael. And now that, ironically, now that it's featured in the Star Wars movie, attendance to it, has risen. Because before people didn't know about it, and now they do. So, it's actually probably going to be a little bit harder to go and to see it, which is cool and also sucks, but it's kind of it's nice, because in theory it's bringing more tourism to Ireland, and that's money for Ireland, and that's cool and that's good. So I think that all works out. So if you're planning a trip to Ireland and you didn't know about Skellig Michael, you do now. And yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this episode a little short. I know it's episode 16. I kind of wanted to do something cool and interesting, but this enderman with the flaming head is pretty cool. Oh, damn it! Not. See, now you're done. Now I gotta kill you. Ah, crap. Ah, crap. Alright, so this is going to be a special episode 16 here. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I thought he was broken. Oh, I hear him. He's mad. He's mad I looked at him. I thought he was broken because he was in the block. Aw, man. Oh, I guess this was a kind of interesting episode 16. I wish I knew the Gaelic for 16. Anyway, sorry guys. I know I gotta work more Gaelic into these episodes. So yeah. We'll end it here though. Ihewa. Ah, yeah. See that ni fér ski in Ligananish to Arakti in Ekala. I think it's telling me that there are monsters nearby, so I can't go to sleep. Ni fér You can't. Ah, that sucks. Alright guys. Ihewa.